applicable to Porsche Panamera from 2010 to 2016. 1. Lift up this decorative panel. 2. Open the right air outlet and unplug the cable to remove it. 3. Open the left air outlet and unplug the cable to remove it. 4. Lift up this decorative panel. 5. Twist off the 4 screws on the screen. 6. After removing the screen, unplug the cable and take off the screen. 7. Take out the decorative panel below. 8. Unplug the cable and remove this decorative panel. 9. Cable packaging inspection. Install this hardware bracket. 11. Reference position for the routing of this line. 12. Unplug the fiber optic cable from the original car power line. 13. Transfer the original car power cord to our line. 14. Connect this line. 15. Connect this line. 16. For G-card slot, USB cable routing reference position. 17. Lift up this decorative panel. 18. GPS antenna F4G antenna routing reference position. 19. Reference position for microphone wiring. 20. Wiring method. 21. Plug in the screen cable. 22. Install the screen and tighten for screws. 23. Plug in the front passenger screen cable. 24. Install the passenger screen. 25. Transfer the original car decorative panel components to our panel. 26. Plug in the wiring material and install our panels. Installation completion effect.